Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmay Vishwas. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry of Molecules. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss a multiple choice question given in front of you. Now you have to answer what is the right answer of this question. So for that purpose, four options are provided in front of you and one of them is the right answer. So as usual, I first request you student, please pause the video, try by yourself, and whatever answer you get, write in the comment box. Don't hesitate whether your answer will be right or wrong. Remember one statement. You have to accept your current situation and self-evaluation is essential for improvement. So as usual, I first request you, please pause the video and try by yourself. I believe you have paused the video and tried by yourself. So it's now my turn to give you the right answer. So before going to the details, I have a request. If possible, please support my channel through patreon.com. You will get the link in the channel main page. And finally, another thing, if you think my content are worthy, then please subscribe this channel. Okay, so actually this is a reaction of bromine, okay, and in this case alkene. So this is nothing but bromination of alkene. Okay. So we know that how the bromination of alkene occurs. Let me give you a briefly. I believe it is important for you. So if you add this bromine, they form first a bridge bromonium ion. This is a bridge bromonium ion. This is cationic. This is anionic. Then the anionic bromine attacked from the back side and resulted in, you may consider that, anti-product. Okay, anti means one is from up and one is from down, and this is very interesting point, student. Please try to concentrate here. Okay, like that. Br, that is one Br. Why this is like that? Why this attack? What happens actually? In this case, what happens? See, there is a bromine. This is actually a bromonium cation. Okay, and by the way, bromonium cation is stabilized because the larger size of bromine, which helps to stabilize somewhat about the ring strain on this three-member ring. Because we know three-member ring has strain, so question why they form. Now, if you look at this thing little carefully, the sigma star of this bond is like that. So this is the sigma star. So if any nucleophile like bromine minus want to attack, where it will attack? It will attack means it will give its electron pair to the sigma star. This is the sigma star orbital of this CBr bond. And now question you can ask that, sir, there are two types of CBr bond, these and these. Why the attacks happens? Because this is less bulky. So nucleophilic attack is preferred where the bulkiness is less. So in this way reaction is occurred. So from this discussion, 2 points we learn. First of all, bridge bromonium ion opens up by a nucleophile. Point number 1. And point number 2, the addition is anti. Okay, this anti, fine. This is now question. Just remember this thing. Okay, now apply the idea here. So first of all, this will undergo bromination, and how bromination occurs? This pi. Actually, if you look at the pi bond, this is the HOMO of pi. And this gives sigma star of the bromine-bromine bond. Means this is the sigma star. So this gives electron, and in this way this bond breaks. This is the strategy. Now this thing exactly happens here. Now a question is, what happened in this case? In this case, bromine first reacts with this and produces a bridge bromonium ion intermediate. This This is the methyl. And here stereochemistry is important, student. Please be careful a little bit. Let me draw it in this way. Just this is a sp3 center, so possible. Now, so this is the thing. And along with that, in order to counterbalance the charge, there is a bromine minus. Now, question may come that in this case we have observed that bromine is acting as a nucleophile. Now, who will act as a nucleophile? Either this hydroxyl or bromine. Remember, if hydroxyl attacks, then that is intramolecular reaction. Intermolecular reaction. And if bromine attacks, that is intermolecular reaction. And remember, intramolecular reaction always faster. And they are favored thermodynamically and kinetically both over the intermolecular one. So in this case, what you can expect? In this case, you can expect that these nucleophile will attack and it will open up. So now, fine. So it will result in this is the top side, fine. This O, Me, and in this case, bromine. This thing we found. Now, see, in every question, on every option, stereochemistry is mentioned. Now, question, what is the stereochemistry of the product? Simple thing, one logic. The attack is happening from the top side. Okay. So, this is from top side attacking. So, it should form a bond from the top side because, see, this side it is attacking, that's why bond is forming below. Okay. So, now, this will be top side. Point number 1. And another thing, what I told that bromonium ion opening is anti-fashion. Okay. So if it is top side, logically where will be the position of bromine? Bottom side. This. Now, if this is top, obviously what will be the situation of methyl? Methyl will be down. Because from this is actually sp2 center. We started. Now because of this above attack, methyl will go down. So what is the answer of the question? Bromine, methyl both down. Bromine, methyl both down. Only one option left. Okay. So this is the answer of the question. Now another thing, why not the other option? See, just look at little carefully. Here, in this case, just bromine, bromine addition. It is not favored that much. Why? Because in this case intramolecular reactions are always favored over intermolecular because both thermodynamic and kinetic helps. So this is not possible. Now question among 3. Okay. See, bridge bromonium ion opening always anti-fashion, but in this case syn fashion, not possible. Now third option. See, alcohol is from above side and how many carbon after this position? 1, 2, 3 atom distance. So 3 atom distance is not easy to be trans. I shall explain after some time. So not possible. I'll give you real example. So option left. Now if this question appears in your exam, how can you solve such question less than 30 seconds? First of all, write the bridge bromonium addition product. Means this one in the pen and paper. After that thing, this is above side, never impossible, and opening is trans fashion. So this is above, bromine down. Fine, this is above, bromine down. This is above, bromine down. This is the answer. So not 30 seconds needed. Less than 30 seconds you can solve this question. Now question, why not such kind of structure is possible? I believe student, this is an important in understanding. Please try to understand. Now what happens? If you look at cyclohexane, for example, if I say decalin, I have already produced one, make one lecture, please visit. So this is actually called trans decalin. Okay, this cannot flip and produce this thing. Means this actually this is a locked structure. Why? You can consider the set, isn't it possible? This and these hydrogens are like that. This. Then in between these we have drawn this 1. This is 2. In between 2 carbon. Is it possible to cover 2 carbon this direction? Obviously not. Now, why I told this? Similarly, in case of cyclopropane, so cyclopropane is like that. So instead of this, just follow the drawing. This is cyclopropane. Okay. So this, now one is, so actually this is down, this is up, this is up, this is down, this is down, this is up. So now think from here to here, how much distance? Is it possible for one atom? Because this is the attached part, this is the attached part, this, and for example this is oxygen, this is carbon. Only one carbon can do? Obviously not. Second thing, there could be another option. Just I have told 5 member. What is it really possible? 6 member ring formation. What do I mean? Just draw the canonical form again. Sorry, this bridge bromonium ion adapt. This is bromine. This is this in. No. What I have described just some time before, that it will attack here, this OH, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And student, please be careful, do the numbering part, it is very helpful. 6, if it attacks 6 member ring formation, actually this is not that much favored. Actually 5 member ring formation, conformationally, both 3 member and 5 member ring formation is easier due to proper conformational orientation. What do I mean by the statement? Just look at this structure, cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane. So 5 member, this means in between this. See, they are close enough. So that's why it is called that they are in proper conformational orientation. If I say 3 member, they are close enough. Just this part. In this case, just this part. Okay. So instead of, now a question, if you consider the stability between 5 member, 6 member, 6 member is more stable. That's why you can say thermodynamically 6 member favor, but kinetically 5 member favor. Okay. So that, because another thing, 5 member rings are almost near about planar, so it is easier to form. So this kinetic reaction is mainly governed by kinetics, and I haven't given any temperature, prolonged time, heating, those things. So kinetics dominates. So the answer is this 5 member, and in this case not 6 member information possible. Okay, so this is the end of this discussion. I believe you have learned a lot. Please write your opinion in the comment box, and if you really like my teaching, please do press the like button and press the bell icon to get the notification of every single video I upload. And if you think it's worthy, then please pass it over your friends, because they can enjoy such kind of teaching free of cost. Okay, so this is the end of this discussion. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. See you in my next video.